Get ready to be amazed by the latest evolution of the legendary sports car. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at the 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S, an automotive masterpiece that combines iconic design, future technology, and incredible performance in one perfect package. From the front, the car immediately captures attention with its more aggressive and futuristic appearance. The latest LED matrix headlights feature a sleeker and sharper design, giving a modern impression while maximizing visibility. The bumper has been redesigned with larger, more functional air intakes, helping to improve engine cooling and aerodynamics. Every curve on the front fascia has been precisely engineered to maximize performance while maintaining Porsche's signature elegant yet powerful identity. Turning to the side, the classic Porsche 911 silhouette remains, but now appears more muscular and dynamic. Smooth body lines flow from front to rear, creating a highly aerodynamic appearance. Wider rear fenders emphasize the all-wheel drive character that is the hallmark of the Turbo S variant. Large, newly designed wheels not only enhance the aesthetics, but also support more stable driving performance in various road conditions. The low ground clearance further emphasizes the true sports car's DNA, ready to accelerate at any time. At the rear, the design is even more striking with strong modern touches. Full-span horizontal LED lights create a distinctive and easily recognizable futuristic look, especially at night. The latest generation active spoiler automatically adjusts to generate optimal downforce at high speeds while increasing efficiency when cruising. The aggressive rear diffuser, combined with a sporty exhaust system, creates a look that's not only beautiful, but also reflects the car's exceptional performance. Entering the interior, you'll be greeted by a perfect combination of luxury and high technology. The cabin is designed with premium materials such as high-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and precision finishing details. The dashboard is now dominated by a sophisticated digital display that provides a variety of real-time vehicle information with a modern and intuitive display. The latest infotainment system supports full connectivity, ensuring a more enjoyable and practical driving experience. Ergonomic sports seats provide maximum comfort while maintaining a stable body position even at high speeds. In terms of performance, this is the most impressive part. The 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S is equipped with the latest generation twin-turbo flat-six, combined with advanced hybrid technology. This combination produces over 700 horsepower, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour can be achieved in just around 2 seconds, a truly remarkable time. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in a variety of road conditions, while the 8-speed automatic transmission delivers incredibly smooth and responsive gear shifts. Not only is this car fast, but it also offers the perfect balance between performance and comfort. Overall, the 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S is more than just a sports car. It's a symbol of innovation and evolution in the automotive world. It maintains its classic design heritage while incorporating future-proof technology that keeps it relevant in the modern era. If you enjoy super-fast and luxurious sports cars like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of the latest automotive content. Write in the comments column whether you prefer this Porsche or another supercar.